Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maryamkapama. Thank you very much for tuning in. I so much appreciate you, and thank you for returning if you're my return subscriber, and of course if you're new here, hi, hello. I'm here with a hair growth update, guys. This will be like February, January update. So I'm here with a February update to show you and to tell you what have been going on with hair growth challenge that we are on since 1st of January 2023. So I'm here, I'm back. I know I was gone, but I'm back with the razzle dazzle bling bling. Yeah, so you like what you see, go ahead and click the like button, and of course let me know down in the comments if you've already joined the challenge, and I keep you up with the update. So this part is for the sake of those people who are new to my channel, because we are growing and the growth rate is amazing. I can't thank you guys enough, because I'm shocked myself. It's fast, and before I know it's already, I don't know, I even lost count, but it's growing fast. What I'm saying is, this is for people who are new, who are discovering now. We have a hair growth challenge that's going on here on my channel. It started 1st of January 2023, and our goal was to grow our hair lengthier, thicker, healthier, and voluminous. And of course, if that's what you want for yourself, you still have a time, you can jump in and join the challenge, and of course we can grow our hair together, because that's the mission of this channel, to help you out there to grow out the hair. So superstars, the last update I did here on my channel was the 2 weeks update, where I demonstrated how I do wash my hair, adding moisture. I shared stuff I use for my scalp. I also shared how I seal in my moisture, and of course I did a lot of demonstration in that video. So if you are new and you haven't seen that, or if you're my regular and you haven't seen that, I'm going to leave the video down in the description box, and of course up in the card somewhere here or here, I don't know, somewhere, so that you go check. But watch this video first, okay? Yeah, I'll try to keep up with weekly updates so that you guys can keep up with the challenge if you're just joining. And of course I think that's would be way better than these monthly updates. The only reason why I'm having a monthly update in the first place is because February was a lot, guys. This is a hair growth challenge, and of course it was challenging. Your girl here had major fall during this challenge, and I learned the lesson, and that's what I'm about to share with you guys. So let's take it back to the 3rd week of January, where I did not post any update. What happened there is, I noticed my hair, I had a twist. You know, I had this hairstyle here, and these twists were nice in the beginning, but the way they were done, the way she did my hair was not right. So I had twist, as you have seen in that video. If you haven't, I'll link it up here, the one that I was teaching you how to grow hair in 2023. So guys, those twists were amazing. They were done nicely, I was looking good, but the problem was the way that twist was done. That twist was done wrongly, because so the hair had 2 segments, the growth part and the twist part. Now the area between the growth and the twist part was having so much tension, because I used to tie my hair up in a bun, because I'm avoiding friction from the clothing and all this stuff. So so much tension that my hair was beginning to break from that point. That means if I stayed longer with that hairstyle, it will break and the twist will fall out, and I will only be left with the new growth, and that was not the thing for me, and I decided to undo the hair. Now that's where I found out the disaster. The challenge began to challenge because unraveling that twist. So the takedown process itself took 2 weeks plus and so a few days, because I had to deal with each single twist, unraveling, removing that thread, twisting the hair back, unraveling. It took me 2 good weeks to unravel that hairstyle. Then I realized that it's very important to pick a right way to do a twist. It was the first time for me to do those kind of twists, and the idea was that they last longer, but they're just doing worse. So I took them out, and I thank God that I did, because I would have remained bald if I kept them for even single. It was dangerous because the thread was superstar. The takedown process went down with lots of my hair. Like that thread had already cut a lot of hair. So every time I unravel the twist and pull it back, it will go down with lots of hair. So in the process itself, I really lost a lot of hair. Like not even a handful, like 2 of them. Like it was a lot of hair. So that was not it, guys. Then after all this hair that was falling out, I was even going through anxiety now if I still have hair anymore, because the hair was falling out. The thread had really cut a lot of hair. So I decided to, when everything goes left, you have to look for one thing that you can hold on to, because at that point I would really make a decision to cut my hair, because it was a lot falling out. The entire time I was just thinking, what am I going to do with this hair now? So I decided to, when I was starting back my natural hair, I was looking at Whitney Natural 85, and she really taught me a lot of stuff from her channel on how to take care of hair. So I went back to, when everything goes down and you have to go back to the basics, like have to go back. By the way, I've been using that pre-poo. For those who have seen my pre-poo video, that I said it was inspired by Natural 85, because I was using that before starting this hair channel, and the hair was doing amazing. So I decided to go back to things that I did that were working, because now I needed them to revive this hair that is left. So I did a pre-poo, aloe vera pre-poo, and it was the best thing I did to my hair. I always do this from time to time, but so here is the mini clip of me pre-pooing my hair, guys. This process saved my hair a lot. It's very important for you guys to listen to your hair. The moral of this whole story is for you to listen to your hair. So you all, I just figured you don't see the razzle dazzle properly, So yeah, so after pre-pooing, I went in washing my hair with a black African soap. That's what I use all the time. And most of you have been asking me, what do you use for your wash? I wash my hair with a bar soap of black African soap. That's what I use to cleanse, to clarify. I use that all the time. And that being said, I went in with deep conditioning the next day, and I did the video where I used the fenugreek and the neem powder to make the conditioner, to boost the conditioner to work effective, because I was already having the worst. And if you haven't seen that video, it will be right over here. Superstar. Then later that day, I went to do a protective style, but before I did my protective style, I had to stretch my hair just to have not to fight texture while putting that protective style, and I choose braids. And my hair was straight and was given, you know, was given lengthy, was given like you still got hair. So but the skipped a very important segment. This is because of piling things up. I also detangled my hair, guys. In that process, everybody was involved because everybody was concerned. How am I going to deal with that? Because everybody knew how much I pay attention to my hair, and everybody was worried because I was super worried about how much hair I lost. So after pre-pooing the hair with the aloe vera treatment, I unraveled the twist and detangle my hair using the amazing, my go-to okra gel, guys. If you haven't seen how I do that, I'll have a video up here as well. Then yeah, everybody was involved. My mom had to step in to detangle my hair gently and remove every piece of hair that was still lingering on my hair. And again, that process went down with lots of hair. And when I say lots of hair, guys, is a lot of hair that I lost that day. Then that's the next day when I moved to deep conditioning with the fenugreek and neem, guys. And the video is the one that I'll leave it very all this video I've been putting up the month of February. I was just trying to stay in the best spirit possible ever, because I know if I will be so down in my videos, I will let some of you guys down, and not to, you know. That's why this video even came in so late. It's March 9th today as I'm filming, but it's okay. We are already on our third protective style, and of course after 1 month I decided to take off the mini braids and wash my hair like I normally do. Of course, deep condition and do all those things. And yeah, so I'm here showing you how my hair looks like. I went in with the braids this time round, and this is what we have. Cornrows are going to do me for the next 4 weeks of this last section of the hair growth challenge that we did since January 1st, 2023. And of course, we are going to do more challenges this year, because in one way or another you get to learn more about your hair when you go through stuff, because what I went through taught me a lot, guys. I'm sharing this just if you're going through anything, you just need to know you're not going through it alone, because if I could not share this, maybe somebody went through the same thing, and you know, a lot's going on. So I'm just sharing this for the best, so you all can get to understand that it's not always smooth, it's sometimes bumpy. Of course, to wrap this video up, I want to tell you, if you're getting values, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, let me know if you have joined in the hair growth challenge, and of course, what are your challenges? Let me know down in the comment. And of course, thank you very much for joining and watching this video to the very end. If you have been able to see this video to the very end, just let me know down in the comment. Leave me some blue emojis or some pink emojis, you know the vibes, so I know I have a gang that's supporting this video to the very end. Let me know by sharing those emojis down.